I want to show you how to make a tournament bracket for the ESPN Tournament Challenge. First, unless it's already one of your 57 tabs, go to espn.go.com. The ESPN page will come up, and go ahead and log in. If you don't have an account, you need to create an account, sign up. I have an account, so I can log in. Once you've logged in, you want to go to Fantasy on the right and Tournament Challenge. You're going to make a new bracket. So here it is, new bracket. You can auto-fill it. You can use a bracket predictor. And here's all it takes to fill it in. If I think UVA is going to beat UMBC, click it. Bam, click it. Smaller numbers mean higher seeds. This is all the time you need to spend unless you're convinced that you know, for example, that Kentucky's going to beat Arizona, and then you click on just that. And you go through and rapid fire click schools. Oh, there's the upper bracket. I got to do the lower one also. Pick the schools you think will win until all of the squares are filled in. And this is about the length of time that it needs to take. As you go through this whole thing, it will not let you submit it until you have entered all of the games. So if you accidentally don't click like I just did, you still can't submit it. It'll make you come back. Let's go with TCU on the upset. Who knows? You don't have to spend a lot of time on it. You're simply clicking who you think is going to win. And then you pick who's going to win it. You write down what you think the score is. If you'd like to enter the tournament challenge, you can enter that. That way you win a prize. Submit your picks. Great. I don't want to create another bracket, but I do want to join a group. So I'm going to join a group here, and my group is CSHS Cougars. Now, if you don't already have that one in, then you need to search for a group. So to search for a group, scroll down here to all groups, search groups. It's CSHS Cougars. Search groups. There it is right there. Click it. It will ask me somewhere, here it is, join the group. I want to join the group, and I'm going to join it with that bracket right there that I just made. Join the group. If your name for your bracket is not clear that it's your name, then I can click on this thing right here, edit display name, and I can change what I want it to see. Prior bracket number 3, your name, whatever it happens to be, and it'll change the name of that bracket. That's all there is to it.